We're back, and now we got an update on my mom's Celica. The root of all evil was we had a forever hard time trying to get it timed, but the actual problem with this thing, with the crank and no start deal, was there was actually oil in the distributor cap. That means that the distributor O-ring has failed and it let a bunch of oil into the distributor cap area. I have since changed all that out and got it a new distributor, because you can't just buy an O-ring by itself. And now the car's all good to go. And I'm happy to have it back, because it's been sitting here in my driveway for a long time, just taking up space. The timing belt was a pain in the ass to get it timed. I had to have one of my brother's friends actually come over and do it. My hands are too big to fit in there. The distributor problem, though, I fixed all by myself just now. Anyways, I hope that everybody has a great day, and this is your Celica update.